In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color on Carrd. Whether you're customizing a personal website or giving your business page a fresh look, changing the text color is a great way to make your content stand out and match your brand's identity. Let's dive into it step by step. First, head over to the carrd.co website and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's a quick process you can do with an email address. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard. The dashboard is your control center. Here you can see your existing projects or start a new one. Next, open your Carrd editor. You can do this by selecting the project you wish to edit from your dashboard. The editor interface is where the magic happens, allowing you to tweak and modify the design elements of your site to your liking. Now focus on the text you want to modify. Simply click on the text and it will be highlighted for editing. When you select the text, a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. This panel is integral to customizing your site, offering various options to adjust your text and other elements. Within this panel, you'll notice a tab labeled Appearance. It's represented by a paintbrush icon, which is quite fitting since this tab is where you give your text its stylistic touch. Click on it to proceed. Within the Appearance tab, you're looking for the color selector. This tool is your gateway to the color palette, where you'll find a wide array of colors to choose from. Click on the color selector to open the palette. Here you can experiment and find the perfect shade for your text. Whether you're choosing a subtle pastel or a bold tone, ensure it aligns with the overall aesthetic and readability of your website. Before you finalize your choice, consider how the new color will work with your website's overall color scheme. You want the text to be legible and visually pleasing, balancing contrast and consistency. Take your time experimenting with different shades until you find the one that feels just right. Once you've decided on your desired text color, simply click outside the color palette and your changes will automatically be saved in the editor. Preview your site to ensure everything looks exactly how you envisioned. If you're satisfied with the result, don't forget to publish the changes by selecting the Publish button, ensuring that the vibrant new look now appears live for all to see. And there you have it, a simple guide to changing text color on Carrd. With this skill in your toolkit, you can maintain a dynamic and engaging web presence that accurately reflects your style. Thanks for watching and happy editing.